Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along Bob Iacino. Very big move in gold, and we'll do another video on silver today. People asking, was there any indication that this could be running out of momentum? Well, we did have a divergence. So here you can see RSI 96.76, higher high, RSI 94.76. So that was clearly a divergence. Yesterday and the day before pulling back, but then huge gap down. Once we started getting below the rotation zone, next key area to watch, we still have a gap fill, which is not fully closed, but the 25% retracement from the highs, which pretty much closed right on. So let's drop to lower time frames and actually below the 50 period on the 4 hour. Let's go on any rally. On any rally tomorrow, if we get above today's high, there's nothing really to do until we get above today's high, unless you're just trying to aggressively buy the dip or you watch for a very short-term pattern. There is no short-term pattern yet, but if we get above today's high, then we're going to be watching for a rally to about 185.75 to 186. Above there, 187, and then we have the full gap. We have this full gap fill up to about 189.50. Below, if we continue down, we don't technically have a pausing bar yet on the 4 hour, but I'm going to get us an idea. So if we head below today's low, I'll be watching for this gap fill, which we'll double check on the daily, but then 177.56, 175.69. Remember, this was incredibly overdone. It hasn't touched the rotation zone in a long time, but it just had a very big, surprising move lower. Not surprising that it was going to move lower. We even talked about that in the weekly chart, that it was very overextended, but it just so happened to retrace a bunch in one day. Below that 175.69, we have the 50 period exponential 174.22. Now for this full gap fill, which is what on any lower price action tomorrow is the first target I'd really be focused on. The opening price 179.14. So those are the things. Now let me just point out again. Weekly chart. Overextended mini vertical up move. Let me close this. Mini vertical up move coming back down. Would not be surprised to see it reconnect with the rotation zone, whether it pulls back more or just starts drifting sideways. But we are still bullish on the weekly, so that's not a problem. We're just watching for a re-entry signal now with this strong move down. Neutral mode on the daily, still neutral mode on the 4 hour unless we get the cross of the rotation zone. So that's really all we're watching for. We'll be looking for a re-entry setup for gold, just nothing yet, at least on the 1 hour and above charts. The only thing is slight divergence. If you're watching the 1 hour, pay attention to about 182.50 area tomorrow and watch how it reacts there. If it does get above there, I'd start watching for more of that intraday rally and a retest of today's highs. So we have for you on gold, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.